Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvper Productions here with another video. And pretty crazy, actually. We finally got monetized, so shouts out to y'all. Like, we really appreciate it. It's crazy. Can't believe we got here, honestly. But there's more to come. Just stay tuned for everything. Today, what we're gonna be doing is doing Alex's Radiator. His 350Z, his radiator kind of exploded. but yeah, you know, it's that Z stuff. But alright then. So I'm about to drive over to Alex's house and then we're gonna replace his radiator. See y'all in a bit. Okay.
We back.
So we pull up to Alex's house. About to change out this radiator here real quick. Y'all can see it kind of exploded everywhere.
Z-Teams.
So y'all know what to do. Open the hood first, obviously. And I think you gotta thank them, bruh.
Who? Thank who?
The 1,070 something subscribers.
Shouts out to y'all. Y'all blew on my radiator.
Yeah,
I got a little excited. Had to do a poll for the one time.
For real.
Nah, shouts out to y'all for real, for real. Make sure y'all enter the giveaway. It's ending in a couple weeks.
Yeah. I'm gonna post the deadline for it today in the description.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, yeah.
But yeah, so today we're gonna be upgrading the radiator. I was just gonna throw it in, but I was not trying to change it again, so might as well just upgrade. So yeah, we got this Mishimoto.
You're sponsor us, Mishimoto.
Sponsored. And I hook it up.
Hook it up.
We just got monetized.
Hey, we'll do that shout out real quick.
But yeah, you know.
I'll tattoo myself Mishimoto. Just kidding.
Shit kind of clean. Damn, dude, this shit is light.
It's aluminum.
Shit light. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Stay tuned. Ooh. What's going on here?
Comes with stickers, bruh.
Air freshener?
No way. Hey, that's pretty sick.
Stain cool.
Man, that's easy.
Man, that shit's cool.
Alright, so first step you gotta do is remove these fans. So it's gonna be 4 bolts. 4 10-mil bolts. So remove those fans and I'll show you all right now. Alright, so the next thing you guys are gonna have to do is remove the upper radiator hose right here. It's gonna be 2 clamps. And then you just slide it off. And then I got the fans off already. It's gonna be 4 bolts. Well, 2 bolts on top, and I think it's 2 clips on the bottom where it sits. And then make sure you guys disconnect these plugs right here at the bottom. Just 2 of them. And once that's off, then you can disconnect the lower radiator hose over there. And I think it should come out. I'll show you all in a bit. Alright, so before you can just take it off like that, there's 2 bolts that you're gonna access through here for the condenser that go right here on each side. And then you should be able to pull it out. But still, I think you should be able to pull it out, no?
Yeah, well, that's gonna be in car in here. Alright, now pull it.
Or just drop it. Can you drop it? Maybe you just put it to the bottom. Is it easier? Well, from the bottom or the top?
I think from the bottom is gonna be.
Here, hold on.
There you go.
You got it?
Yeah.
I just dropped it. It's not like it works. And once you get rid of this piece of crap, it was actually pretty light too, huh?
That's pretty light.
I thought they were thicker, honestly.
Dude, this is gross.
Yeah, that thing's leaking for sure.
Everywhere, bro. And then what you do here is...
And
but
yeah,
this is the...
Alright, well, let's put the new one on. Oh, yo, this is that new one. I love how our cars get parts like that. And then I'm rocking busted shit.
You gotta spoil them, bro.
For real. Dang, this thing looks nice. Oh my god.
Shit look beautiful. Shit look beautiful. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I swear if that one explodes, I'll fucking
This
cry.
one explodes, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm selling the car.
No cap.
Alright, well we're gonna throw that in and then we'll show you in a little bit. Alright, so we got the radiator in. First thing you're gonna do is put the radiator in and connect the condenser to it, the 2 bolts on top. So you push in the tabs down there. It's kind of hard to see, honestly. So push in the tabs on the bottom first, and then connect the 2 bolts up here that you can access through these holes right here. And then put these plastic tabs on top. And then you can put your fans on, and then after their fans, put the hoses back on. And if you have a stock car, you usually have a reservoir right here. Alex is missing it, but it's all good.
Weight reduction. Alright guys, so we got it all in. Fan is in, fans are in, radiator's in. Now it's time to go ahead and put the coolant in, and then we're gonna go ahead and bleed the system. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Also, I wanted to go ahead and give a little tip. You don't know how these factory people be leaving their stuff, so you always want to go ahead and double check the plug before you just go ahead and put it in, because you don't know how tight they're gonna leave it in there. So it's safe to just go ahead and double check it. All right, guys. So the first thing you do once you fill up well, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the. This right here is the drain for not the drain, but the bleeder for the cooling system. You open this one up. You want to use a fat Phillips head so you don't mess it up with the plastic. You open it up and then you fill up you fill it up with coolant as much as you can until you see coolant coming out of there. Once you see it coming out of there, you want to go ahead and squeeze this right here. Squeeze the hose and get out as much air as you can. It'll save you a lot of time. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure your car is still jacked up. It makes it a lot faster. But as you see, it's getting warm, so the coolant level keeps dropping. So you just want to go ahead and keep adding it. Coming out. It's starting to get hot. Good. And I kind of have it open right now. Over there too. Add a little more. You want to go ahead and also make sure your heater's on. You want to blast your heater, and also you want to go ahead and rev it at 2500 RPM for 10 seconds. Dropped again. All right guys, so we're all done. Bleeding the system was not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder, but it was actually pretty quick. As long as if you jack up your front end in your car pretty good, the bleeding system goes a lot faster. Honestly, it took me about 5 minutes. That's crazy, right? I don't know how it only took me 5 minutes, but yeah, it was pretty quick. As long as here, I'll open up the hood. Like I said, if you open up the bleeder, if you open up the bleeder right away when you start pouring coolant in it, damn, it's hot, and you pour it in, until it starts coming out of the bleeder. It saves you a lot of time because it takes out a lot of air as it's coming out, because it takes out mostly all the air, well, most of it when you first start up. And before you close it, you want to go ahead and squeeze the hose up here, the main hose, and you'll take out a lot of air too. You'll see all the little air bubbles coming out. And then once you close it, you go ahead and fill it up as much as you can, and then you start it up. And then when you start it up, you can go ahead and get in there, blast the heater, and rev it for about 10 seconds at 2500 RPM. And yeah, just let it sit there and keep making sure that you have coolant. So just keep filling it up, keep filling it up. What's going on, guys? So we're back and we're about to watch the Z. So yeah, the radiator and just the radiator and the bleeding is all done. So now it's time to clean her up, because y'all saw how bad she was. So let's get to it. All right, so we'll give you a little before. Poor baby. The old radiator kind of took a check, but it's all good. We're gonna clean her up. She's filthy. Look at this. Oh no. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Look at this. It's all good. We're gonna get it looking right. Alright guys, well, she's all cleaned up. Boom. Yeah. Mishimoto, sponsor me. But yeah, she cleaned up pretty well. So yeah, this is the day after, because I ran into some stuff while I was washing my car yesterday. So I thought I'd finish it up today. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. And make sure to please like, comment, subscribe, keep blowing up those numbers. We're getting there, y'all. And if we keep going up, we'll do more giveaways. And if you haven't done so already, please click the link in our description to enter a chance to win those free AirPods. And yeah, keep showing love. Appreciate y'all. See ya.